Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix could not find the recovery environment Windows 11. All right, so let's begin with the video. So if you're trying to reset your PC and you're getting the error could not find the recovery environment, this is how you can fix it. First, head over to the search bar and type in CMD. When command prompt appears, right-click on it and choose Run as Administrator, then click Yes if you're asked for permission. Once command prompt is open, type reagentc/enable and press enter. After that, you should see a message saying Operation Successful. At this point, check to see if resetting your PC works. If it's still not working, you'll need a USB flash drive. Once you have one ready, go back to the search bar and type Create a recovery drive. Open it, then click Next and follow all the on-screen steps, and this process will back up the necessary files to the recovery drive. After the recovery drive is created, you'll be able to reset your computer successfully, and that's it. So that's basically how you can fix could not find the recovery environment. Windows 11. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.